नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कसे आहात? छान हसताय ना? हसायलाच पाहिजे. तर आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी विषय गणित भाग 1 अंतर्गत प्रकरण क्रमांक 5 संभाव्यता या प्रकरणाविषयी आपण चर्चा करणार आहोत. स्टुडंट्स, हाउ आर यू? फाइन? Okay. Now today we are going to study the 10th standard mathematics, in which the chapter 5 is probability. Now in the previous lectures or previous periods we have to discuss about the random experiments, यादृच्छिक प्रयोग, then equally likely outcomes, only outcomes, sample points, etc. Now today we are going to study the events, घटना. What is meant by event? An event is a subset of a sample space. An event is a subset of a sample space. An event is a subset of a sample space. An event is a subset of sample space. Now a event is denoted by alphabets, capital alphabets A, B, C, D, etc. Now, for example, if two coins are tossed, events are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. Now for event I write one example for understanding purposes. For example, two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. टू कॉइन्स आर टॉस्ड, दोन नाणी फेकली. तर नमुना अवकाश आपण लिहू शकतो. व्हॉट इज द सॅम्पल स्पेस इफ टू कॉइन्स आर टॉस्ड? देन द सॅम्पल पॉइंट इज H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. This is the sample points for two coins are tossed. Suppose event A is getting at least one tail. Getting at least one tail. वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर कमीत कमी एक काटा मिळण्याची आहे. Getting at least one tail. One tail or more than one tail. Now write down the sample space for this event with, if you see the experiment, two coins, then write the event A, getting at least one tail on the upper surface. Now one tail means one tail or more than one tail. One tail here, HT A is equal to HT, TH and TT. ॲटलिस्ट वन टेल, कमीत कमी एक काटा मिळण्याची आहे, एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त. TT, TH, HT. Now number of events are written. One example is given for you for understanding purposes. Two coins are tossed. Then in these two coins are tossed, write down the sample points. सपोज इव्हेंट ए, घटना ही अशी आहे की वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर कमीत कमी एक काटा मिळण्याची आहे. गेटिंग ॲटलिस्ट वन टेल ऑन द अपर सरफेस. नाउ राईट द वन टेल. हियर इज वन टेल, हियर वन टेल or more than one tail. Now here is no tail, therefore this number is not here. Now go to practice set 5.3. 5.3. Now the main question is in the textbook page 100. In the textbook page 121, if you read this question, write sample space yes, number of sample points for each of the following experiments, and also write set form for events A, B and C, and number of events NA, NB and NC for each experiments. Write down the sample space. Main question is write down yes sample points NS, event A, B, C and NA, NB and NC for each and every experiment. Here in 5.3 there are 6 experiments given. Out of 6 experiments I take 2 experiments, and for each and every experiment write the sample space as NS, event A, event B and event C, and number of events A, number of events B and number of event C. Now the first example is one die is rolled. One die is rolled. एक फसा फेंकला. Now write for this one die is rolled, write the S, NS. Now events are given one by one. Now first of all write the sample space. One die is rolled. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore NS is equal to 6. Now event A. Event A. What is event A? Even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. म्हणजे काय? वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर सम संख्या मिळण्याची आहे. घटना ए ही अशी आहे, वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर सम संख्या मिळणे ही अशी आहे. मग सम संख्या कुठल्या आहे तुम्ही लिहा या ठिकाणी. नाव सी द एक्सपेरिमेंट. नाव व्हॉट इज मेंट बाय इव्हेंट? यू नो द इव्हेंट. अँड इव्हेंट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ सॅम्पल स्पेस. म्हणजे इव्हेंटमधले घटक सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये असतातच, लक्षात घ्या. Now write down NA, or first of all A is equal to even number on the upper face. Even number means some sankhya 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Therefore NA is equal to 3. Now event B. Event B is what? Odd number on the upper face. Odd number on the upper face. घटना बी अशी आहे, वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर विषम संख्या मिळणे ही घटना बी आहे. मग विषम संख्या तुम्हाला माहीत आहेत, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3 and 5. राईट डाऊन द बी. बी इज इक्वल टू 1, 3, 5. Now write down the NB, number of event B. How many? 1, 2, 3. This is event B. Now go to event C. What is the event C? Now the event C is prime number on the upper face. Event C. Prime number on the upper face. म्हणजे काय? घटनाशी अशी आहे, वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर मूळ संख्या मिळणे ही आहे. मग मूळ संख्या तुम्हाला माहीत आहे तिथं कोणते आहेत. नाव प्लीज राईट द प्राईम नंबर्स. नाव C is equal to, event C is equal to, now the prime numbers. One is now 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Therefore NC is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now go to third example of practice set 5.3. Now the example is three coins are tossed simultaneously. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. म्हणजे 3 नाणी आपण एकाच वेळी फेकलो. 3 नाणी एकाच वेळी फेकलो किंवा एक नाणे 3दा फेकलो तरी नमुना अवकाशामध्ये बदल होत नाही. नमुना अवकाश सारखाच असतो. इफ यू tossed 3 coins simultaneously, or if you toss thrice 3 coins, then each and every time the sample space is same. Now write down the sample space. Yes, 3 coins are tossed. Now S is equal to, in curly bracket, H H H H H T H T H T H H. Now H T T T H T, then T T H, and last one is T T T. Then how many number of sample points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If 3 coins are tossed every time, each and every time, the number of sample points are 8. Now the event A. What is event A? To get at least 2 heads. घटना A. to get at least 2 heads. Two heads म्हणजे काय मराठीत? टू गेट ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स म्हणजे कमीत कमी 2 छापा मिळणे ही घटना आहे. ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स, कमीत कमी 2, जास्तीत जास्त चालतील. ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स, ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स. मग ते कुठलं येते? ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स. ॲटलिस्ट 2 हेड्स मीन्स 2 or greater than 2. 2 heads. Now write down here. A is equal to, इथं 2 आहे, H H H H H T H T H, 2 heads, T H H. Now here is not 2 heads, here is not, here is also not, here is also not. Now number of events A is 1 2 3 4. This is the event A. Now the event B. Event B is to get no head. To get no head म्हणजे नो हेड मीन्स घटना बी ही वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर छापा न मिळणे ही आहे. नो हेड, ओनली टेल. देअरफॉर हियर इज ओनली 1 number T T T. There is no head. Therefore B is equal to T T T. Therefore NB is equal to 3. NB is equal to NB is equal to 1. NB is equal to 1. Now last event. Event C is to get head on the second coin. To get head on the second coin. Event C. Event C is event C. What is event C? To get head on the second coin. Second coin म्हणजे घटनाशी अशी आहे की वरच्या पृष्ठभागावर दुसऱ्या क्रमांकाच्या नाण्यावर छापा मिळणे ही आहे. टू गेट हेड ऑन द सेकंड कॉइन. 2 नंबरच्या नाण्यावर हेड म्हणजे छापा मिळणे ही आहे. देन राईट डाऊन C इज इक्वल टू curly bracket, write down to get head on the second coin. Head on the second coin, which one? Here second. Head on the second coin, head on the second coin, and head on the second coin. 4 units or 4 numbers. H H H H H H H H T T H H and T H T. Therefore NC is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now this is the third example of practice set point 3. 3 coins are tossed. And the first example is 1 die is rolled. एक फासा फेकला. म्हणजे in this practice set 6 experiments are given. For each and every experiment write down the sample space, number of sample points, event A, B, C in sheet form, and number of events A, B and C. Now try to solve the remaining examples in home. Then I ensure that you will to solve the examples in home. Thank you.